Yesterday, I came out here to build this nice trellis so I could put my grapes on it. The grapevine I just bought there. I built this nice trellis. Had to go find some wire back in the glade rock. Twisted it up, made it nice and tight. It's good and solid. Good and solid. That wire is like a guitar string. But when I fired up the chainsaw to make these little notches here in the ends to notch the boards together, while I had the chainsaw running and a full tank of gas, I went a little crazy and took out an elm tree and a couple other trees. I'm not sure what they are, but now I got firewood and a whole lot more brush to burn. So that's where we stand today. I've got a video coming on a nice long hike we took the other day, but I got to splice it together on the computer, and that's going to take a little time in editing. If anybody knows what kind of a tree has bark like that, please let me know. Because I don't know what kind of a tree this is. I've never seen it before, but that's what the bark looks like on the limbs up at the top. Kind of like alligator skin or something. And then there's the main trunk of one right there. The one that's got the half cut off at the bottom. That's what the bark looks like lower down. I'm not sure what it is, but that was all elm. Not the best firewood, but it works. Anyway, that's where we are today. We're getting some things planted. Got some pecan trees you'll see over there leaning up against the gas tank. Gonna put them in the ground out there around that corner, and hopefully in a few years we'll have a nice sack of pecans off of our trees. Trying to get things going around here. I got chickens ordered, I got pigs on the way. They aren't weaned yet, but when they are, about got the pig pen done. We're making headway. Stick with us, we'll have more to show you later. Thanks for watching.